Hello students, here is the question. Here we have assertion reason and we need to know if assertion and reason are true or not. So assertion A states the size of BK3 plus ion is less than NP3 plus ion, and reason R states that the above is a consequence of the lanthanide contraction. Now if we look at reason and look at assertion, regarding reason, we know that these two atoms are present in the actinoid series of the periodic table and not the lanthanoid series. So the assertion is true because these two have a decrease in the ionic size because of the improper shielding of the 5f electrons. So because of the 5f electrons improper shielding, the nuclear charge increases and the electrons are pulled more closely as compared to the other normal cases, that is s, p or d block. So these this is how we get the increase in the atomic number gives a decrease in the ionic size. This is because of the actinoid effect, but the reason R is says it is because of the lanthanoid contraction, which is false. So we can say that assertion is true but reason is false. Option C. Thank you.